Show me how.
Okay, I'm going to show you folks how to use a multimeter, also known as a voltmeter, better as a multimeter. This is a multimeter. It has different functions, a multitude of testing features. So you have voltage, AC, DC, alternating current, direct current, automobiles, motorcycles, batteries, etc., LED. Then also you have alternating current, which is the AC. Okay, you can see it right here, the AC. That would be for your homes, residential, etc., when you have an alternating current with phases. Okay, so what we want to do now, this is your ohms right here, resistance. So it actually has sound, so you can run two ends of a wire from one end to another and put your tips on both points. Okay, and then if it's got noise, you know that wire is consistent. Actually, it's a continuity tester. I'm sorry, not resistance. And so the resistance would be here. Okay, now back to the voltage. AC, we want DC because this is a battery. There's AC, and then it goes to auto. So you're going to hit the range. Here's the range. Okay, so what the range is doing is moving the decimals. So now you're into volts. Okay, that would be in 100s, or 1000s actually, and then this would be in tenths. Okay, down to a tenth. The last one, I'm sorry, would be 100s. So watch when I put this meter on this battery. Now the battery should be 12, 13, 9, etc., depending on the condition. Okay, so this battery right here is 8.6. Now let me see. Oh, the reason why it's 8.6 is because this battery's full, right, and it's draining down. So what I'll do is put this charger back on it, and it should read 14 or so. Okay, see it? So you're reading 14. I go up to like 14.6. So when your car is charging in your car, and you put this tester on your battery with your car running, it better be over 13, 13.8, 14. That way you know your alternator is good. If it's not reading at least 12, well, actually hit 13 or 14, your alternator's no good. So if you ever think you have a dead battery and you're not sure about the alternator, get the car started. You can pull the cable off the battery, and if your car keeps running, your alternator's good. That's the quick and lickety-split way to do it. The hack, the other way is if you have one of these meters, which I encourage everybody to have, don't leave home without it. It's the best. This thing pays for itself in no time, just from batteries. So you can check batteries on other devices, flashlights, clocks, portable units, ghetto blasters, whatever, the big portable, which nobody uses anymore, AM, FM, cassette, CD, etc. Or just anything that needs to be rechargeable, or I should say takes a battery. You can use this multimeter to test. So again, watch, 14.6. Now, this battery might have been getting charged a little bit more, so hopefully it'll read over 8. Okay, so yeah, so it's reading 11.9, 11.8, and the problem with this battery is, the reason why I'm checking it is it's bleeding down. It doesn't have the capacity to hold a charge. So if you ever test a battery and it's running down like this, and it'll keep running down. So right now it won't start a car because it's under 13 or 12.8. Anything over 12, I should say. See, it's bleeding down. So this battery's fried. I'm going to go pick up another one. And that's how you use a multimeter. And so with any device that you have a lot of batteries in it, it may just be one battery. Don't throw away all your batteries. Put this on DC, which this is. Put the decimal 1 over to the left, and most of your batteries are 1.5, 9.6, 3. Most of them are 1.5. Okay, and then you check each battery, and you'll know. Okay, show me how. Just showed you how to use a multimeter. Thank you for watching, subscribing, following. Don't forget to turn it off. Positive, negative, what do you do first? Yes, you take off the negative, not the positive. Okay? And that's just your conventional battery charger for an automobile. Okay? Thank you for watching and subscribing. Here, I'll give you a close-up of this in case you couldn't have seen it. So here's the volts. That's millivolts, and it's on auto. So if you set it to AC, so that's AC, and then if you go back to auto, now once you start popping the range, it'll move to volts. Watch, see? Now it's in volts. That's at 1,000. That's at 100s. Okay, so you could have 1.25, which is a quarter of a 100, so 1 1/4. Here, you're down to tenths, which is really where you want to use this. So you put it on volt here that is alternating. You see the phasing, or direct, DC, the straight line, okay? And I don't know these that well, but I know them well enough where this thing has saved me $1 bazillion from having somebody to come and look at your equipment, to saving money on buying batteries, whether it be car batteries, alternators, flashlights, etc. Please, everybody, get one of these. And it can be anything from a Fluke to an Ideal to a Tech to I think Green, I can't remember the name of the company. I should. I'm not an electrician by trade. I'm just a general contractor. Okay, show me how I just showed you how. Thank you very much. And again, a close-up, continuity. And again, so what you're looking for with this is if your wires are split, there's a disconnect, there's no continuity. So if you're checking a light bulb and you put this on both ends of the light bulb, you're going to hear this noise. And that way the filament's still good in the light bulb. You got continuity, continuous circuit. All right? Thank you. Show me how. Showed you how.